Welcome to Ms. Parb's Flipped Classroom. In this video we're going to be looking at, is the data linear or quadratic? Sometimes when you have a table of data you can't tell for sure what kind of a graph you should make. So there's some different tests that you can do to kind of figure that out. The first thing is check to see what the difference is between each one of your x values. And notice each one of these is 1. Negative 2 plus 1 gives you negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. If you look at this table, you have the same pattern. These are consecutive or adjacent x values. So now we're going to look at our y's, at our output. And on this one, we notice that to go from 13 to 4 is a negative 9, 4 to 1 is a negative 3, 1 to 4 is plus 3, and 4 to 13 is 9. Notice these numbers are not the same. On our linear data, to go from negative 5 to negative 2, we add 3. We add 3 to go to 1, and we add 3 to go to 4, and we add 3 to go to 7. Notice these are all the same numbers. So for linear data, if the first difference of adjacent y values is constant, then the data is linear. So in this one, this was our first difference, and the numbers were all the same, are constant. So this was a linear data system. For quadratic data, the second difference of adjacent y values is constant. And notice the first difference was not constant, but the second difference was. So we know that this table represents quadratic data and would be graphed with the U, while this is linear and would be graphed with a straight line. When you do the first and second difference, if neither one of those is constant, then the data is neither linear nor quadratic. It would be something else. So copy these two problems on the back of your half sheet. Tell me if they're quadratic, linear, or neither, and then turn it in. And your hint, remember, check the first and second difference for each one of these data sets.